All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Obert is doing well. It is after 9 a.m. Tuesday morning, and we are already rolling. Obviously, if you were in our Discord, you know we still have 2 open calls from yesterday, both well up over on leverage, 100% in terms of on entry. Both those calls were made within the same 4-hour stick yesterday. Obviously, do your own due diligence. It's not financial advice. And check your exchange and make sure whether or not your exchange actually has overnight fees or not. An overnight fee is a fee charged for you keeping your open trade open for more than 24 hours. Just food for thought. Check it out on whatever exchange you're on if you're trading leverage so you can make sure that you got that factored into your plan. Okay, what I want to talk about right now is I had a question that shot to me last night about what's really been the correlation this week with Bitcoin to its forks, right? And to Ethereum, but to its forks, okay? And so this is an easy mechanism for you to use to take a look at opportunities in the market. Obviously, I am a huge correlated trader. I actually believe that correlated trading is going to take off in 2022 because everybody that gets exposed to it wins. They win. They win trades. That's just the reality, okay? Once you grasp it, you end up making successful trades. Okay, so let's just take a look at what's happened with the ebb and flow since the beginning of January. Okay, and so we're going to come up here and you're going to click on compare, and you're going to say, okay, I want to, I want to compare. I want to compare the primary fork of Bitcoin, which is Bitcoin Cash, to Bitcoin. Type in BCH. BCH USD is what you want to use. And there we have it. Okay. I'm going to move me out of your way so you can kind of see all of this happening up here. So this has been the movement of Bitcoin Cash. This is the movement of Bitcoin. Okay. And the difference is you will see on the side is the percentage. Okay. Relative to Bitcoin in terms of the pricing movement. Right. So you can see with each move in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash has more or less the same trajectory. Okay. Okay. It fell down here as Bitcoin rose, Bitcoin Cash rose, Bitcoin then dipped, Bitcoin Cash dips, levels off, boom. Bitcoin dumps on the 6th, 5th, and 6th. Bitcoin Cash dumps alongside it. Bitcoin starts to stabilize. As Bitcoin starts to stabilize, you get a rise in Bitcoin Cash. Okay? Then Bitcoin dumps again. Then Bitcoin Cash dumps again. You see these correlations, okay? Okay, they're very nuanced sometimes, and then they're extreme one way or the other, okay? Here's the difference that a lot of people miss is Bitcoin Cash is less than $400, okay? Bitcoin is $41,600, okay? And trading it right now, dipping back down. You can see this line right here, okay? When Bitcoin decides its direction, up or down, at that 40 to 42,000 level, we're kind of in a continuation pattern holding above support. We've dipped down in the cloud, Ichimoku cloud on the 4-hour for the first time in over a year, okay? Which is, dangerous territory, okay? But we're still holding above 41,000, okay, which is great. If we fall below 40,000, we got another pattern issue to talk about because we're probably going to see 38 or 37, okay? That's just the reality, mates. Bitcoin Cash will follow suit. But if the reverse happens and we hold support, we get a major news coming from ETFs buying Bitcoin at 41,000, which could happen because they're now accumulating Bitcoin, okay, and need to for their balance sheet, right, for their fund that they're then selling, right. They have to own Bitcoin for their fund, okay. So when they become buyers again, you will see Bitcoin Cash rise above Bitcoin in terms of a percentage gain basis. Okay. That's why Bitcoin Cash is a better trade.